Let's learn and grow with Nemo.
Early morning sun says hi. Let's go where the fields are wide. Put on boots, come with me. A busy farm is what we'll see. Big red gate, open wide. Welcome to the farm inside. Green, green grass, blue, blue sky. Farm adventures passing by. Cows go moo, sheep go bow. Horses neigh and chickens cluck how. Animals here, big and small. Farm is home to one and all. Baby chicks, soft and sweet. Little lambs on tiny feet. Gentle care and loving hands. Happy animals on the land. Rows of crops in line so neat. Corn and wheat and veggies meet. Seeds in soil, water flows. Watch them grow, grow, grow. Tractor vroom goes round the field, helping crops grow strong and filled. Plow and plant from day to night. Farmers work with all their might. Barn so big, hay stacked high. Tools and tractors resting by. Safe and warm when day is done. Farm work ends with setting sun. Fresh milk, eggs, fruit so good. Farm gives us our daily food. Thank you, farmer, brave and kind, for feeding all of humankind. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and growing with me.